Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to be working on page 136. And today we're going to be adding mixed numbers and fractions together to decompose and to just add and see mixed numbers adding with fractions. So on the back side, we're just going to be practicing over and over and over again, adding these mixed numbers and these fractions. So I'm going to do the first couple ones for you, and then from there I want you to finish the rest. So I'm going to rewrite them so you can see them in different colors. So I'm going to write it 2 3/5 plus 3/5. Okay. Now we can easily add the numerators to get 6/5. But do not forget to move your whole number over, okay? From here, we have 2 6/5. We need to decompose 6/5 because it is an improper fraction or fraction greater than 1. So I can remove 5/5. And I can remove, and I have 1/5 left over, okay? So from there, I can definitely add 2 and 1 whole, and that makes 3 whole. And 1 1/5, or 3 1/5 just follows in place. So that is our answer for our first problem there. That is our sum. So let's go over our next problem in B, where we have 3 6/8 and 4/8. Now, I'm going to decompose this in a different way, where Eureka Math, you can either add all the numerators like I just did for A, or we can decompose the second fraction. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do this a little bit different. So I have 3 6/8 plus 4/8. And I'm going to decompose 4/8, or I'm going to take out 2/8 and 2/8. And I'm doing this purposefully because I know 6 and 2 added makes 8, and that makes a whole number. Okay, so from there, I am just going to add this section right here, and I know that's 4 whole because this is 8/8, right, when we add them, and then 1 whole plus 3 makes 4. So from there, I got a 4 whole, and don't forget to add on that 2/8. Okay, so you can do either strategy here. We can add all the numerators, or you can just decompose that second fraction to make it friendly and make a whole number. So for C, I'm going to go back to that first strategy where I just add all the numerators together. So we got 5 and 4/6 plus 3/6, and I'm just going to add the numerators, and then we get 5 and 7/6. From there, I just need to decompose and take out 6/6, which is the whole, and I get 1/6 left over. Remember, we're going to add 5 and that whole number together, and that gives me 6 whole, and don't forget to add that 1/6. All right, there's our answer. Sweet. So from there, I want you to do the rest on your own, where we're taking out those whole numbers and decomposing. You can use the first strategy, which I did here, where we just add all those where we add those numerators together and then decompose. Or what you can do is you can do that second strategy where we decompose this second fraction to make friendly fractions, so that we can add our whole numbers together there, or add those fractions to make whole numbers. All right, I hope this lesson was a simple one. It certainly is. Same type of pattern here when it comes to adding mixed numbers and fractions.